Hi guys, it's me, Moiwa, here in Japan, and today we're going to climb up the mountains. This mountain is called Mount Moiwa, and it's pretty high mountain, so it should be fun. Let's go! Yeah.
Let's go climb up the mountains. Let's go climb up the mountains. Climb up the mountains. So we have some Buddhist statues here, which is always nice. Yomezimazumi, my name is Buddha. So the first thing I really gotta say about this mountain is that the road is absolutely disgusting. I mean, look at this. It's so muddy and wet. My shoes are gonna get ruined, man. God damn it. Well, it doesn't really matter, just as long as I get to the top. We're going to the top of the mountain. Don't stop at the top. Look, there's a snow here. Nice, I can clean up my shoes. Hop. Ooh. I really like these roots. They serve as a staircase. It's really neat. Thank you, nature. Thank you, nature. It's been a while. Did you know that every 60 seconds in Africa, a minute passes? I bet you didn't know. I'm a smart guy. Yeah. Whew. So now the road is getting pretty dangerous, I would say. The mud is taking over the whole road now, and it's really slippery. And if you fall down, you're going to fall down and hit your head and die like a little slag. Yeah. So finally we reach a platform, just a small platform, and the view is absolutely amazing. I mean, look at that. But there's still a long way to go to the top. So let's go. So now we are so high that there's still snow around. I don't like mud. Snow is much better. Check out this landscape. Fucking birds. Climbing up the mountains, climbing up the mountains. Climbing up the mountains. Hoop. So this road is getting really narrow and kind of dangerous. If you fall down, you're going to die. Now this is really dangerous, man. Check it out. One slip, just one small slip, and you will fall down and die. Damn, son. Would you look at that city? I mean, just look at it. Ain't it beautiful? Just look at that city, man. I mean, just would you look at that city? I mean, come on, just look at it. Just look at it, man. Just look at the city. I mean, just look at the city. I mean, oh, really beautiful. Look at this. We are already so high. I mean, so high. But there's still more to go. Let's climbing up the mountains, climbing up the mountains. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, climbing up the mountains. Oh. So, I think we're almost at the top. The view is absolutely beautiful. And there's some, what are these plants? I really like these plants. Oh, slowly up. Oh, I fall down. I fall down and I can't get up. Oh, just kidding. I'm not gonna fall down. Anyway, we reach the top. We are reaching the top. And there's some kind of cool looking house and radio tower on the top. So we reach the top. We reach the top. And the view is absolutely beautiful. Just look at this, man. Oh. There is a vending machine and a really nice bathroom here on the top. Nice urines and of course robotic toilets as usual. And there's me. Wow. Damn, look at this view, man. We came all the way down there. So beautiful. So beautiful. What is this? Nice.
ただいまお乗りいただいておりますこちらのロープウェイは昭和33年に運転を開始いたしました。その後2度の大きな改修を経て現在のより静かで快適な乗り物へ生まれ変わりました。ゴンドラの色は自然との調和に配慮した札幌市の景観70色より藻岩山に生息する動物の代表であるエゾフクロウのシルバーとエゾリスのオレンジを使用しております。それでは山麓駅到着までの間ゴンドラ内でのひとときをお楽しみくださいませ。まもなくロープウェイ中間地点でございます。左前方より上りのロープウェイが参ります。よろしければ一緒に手を振ってみてください。いってらっしゃい。本日お越しいただきましたこちらの藻岩山は市内中心部から約5キロと非常に近く都市と自然が隣接した全国的にも大変珍しい山でございます。450種類以上の植物が生い茂り年間約600トンの二酸化炭素を吸収し環境保全にも役立っております。春の新緑 夏の登山、秋の紅葉、冬のスキーと四季を通じて皆様に親しまれており、標高531メートルにちなんだ5月31日の藻岩山の日など、1年を通してさまざまなイベントを催しております。また藻岩山をアイヌ語ではインカルシペヌプリと呼んでおり、